Wife says to mechanic husband, "My car is making a grinding noise. You are always giving repair tips on TikTok. What about my car?"
Husband says,
Come over here. Let me show you what I found wrong with this car. This is the driver's side steering knuckle. You hear it? That's a worn hub bearing. This worn out hub bearing causes a grinding noise going down the road. Let's stick around. Let's repair it real quick. Breaking the caliper bolts loose. I'm gonna move it out of the way. Removing the tie rod. Removing the brake rotor. Sway bar link bolt. Removing the strut to knuckle bolt. Alright, CV axle broke loose from the bearing. Removing the lower ball joint bolts. Now I just gotta remove the knuckle from the strut. And now we can install the new one. For those who don't know, you could just replace the hub bearing itself. But in this case, I went ahead and replaced the whole steering assembly, which comes with the bearing installed already. This is a good option for somebody who doesn't have a press or specialty tools to remove and install the hub bearing. The steering knuckle is made by A Premium, which is an aftermarket parts company. I've used them before. They make good parts and they're affordable too. If you want to check out their products, visit their website. I'll have it here on the screen. If not already doing so, make sure you like and follow me for more tips.